Hey everybody, happy Wednesday and welcome back to She Stacks. So we have a box to open today, and this is a very unique piece to the channel. So if you've been hanging around for a while, this is probably not going to be something you can guess. And before I open the box, I kind of wanted to give you guys an update. I really don't want to talk about the market today because it is crazy. And so what I'm going to do on Friday is I'm going to put all these pieces together and make it as easily available communication wise to regular people, because I'm not a trader, I'm not a professional finance anything, and I'm just a regular person with a regular job, and I think a lot of my viewers are the same. So Friday we are going to be talking about the market, but today we are unboxing a very fun piece. So this piece I got on eBay, and I've been looking at it for a while because it's just so fun. And my daughter's birthday is coming up, so I figured by the time she's 80 years old, this could be worth something, right? You guys been buying anything lately? It's been so crazy. It's been kind of hard for me to figure out what to buy and when. I know I always say don't time the market, but you can't really do too much anymore. All right, we got some eBay packaging. Very nice. I will show the card in a minute. Give me a second, guys. This is really wrapped in there pretty good. This obviously didn't come from a manufacturer, or excuse me, a dealer that I've been complaining about lately. Look at that. Isn't that cute? That's adorable. It's one of these pieces that somebody pours as they get ordered, so it's made to order. Let me show you the card. Here's a certificate of authenticity. A gummy bear, the 10 ounce, and it was made on 8/8/2026. That is copper, 999 copper, and it is made by PNW Silver Company. That's probably the same name as they have on eBay. That is super cool. I need to stay up. There we go. Let's make it shine in the sun here. Look at that. That is so cool. I know MK Bars has a silver version of this, but it's only a 1 ounce, and I'm kind of looking at that one too, so you might see this in a different version soon. It does not look stamped, guys. I will have to bring the card in if I ever want to sell this. Okay, very cool. Hope you're having a fantastic Wednesday, and I will see you guys on Friday, and I will do some major research on what the heck is going on. And if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, share, hype, and I will see you guys on Friday with a new video. Bye, guys.